See this right here, guys? This is MSG, and we're gonna use it to make MSG Solution, and it's gonna make all your cocktails, it's gonna give them a good punch. It's gonna make them pop, and it's gonna be delicious. And we're gonna add it to a pineapple margarita today, so let's get started. So you're wondering, how do we make MSG Solution? What is MSG Solution? Well, MSG Solution is essentially a very easy way to add salt, a little bit of savory flavors to your cocktails. I have this umami seasoning. If you want to be fancy, you call these umami cocktails, and it sounds really, really cool, but really you're just adding salt to your cocktails. It's nothing crazy. Got this bad boy on Amazon. You know it's in my Amazon shop. Check it out below. This right here is delicious MSG, and it was only about $5. So what we're going to do is we are going to do a 2-to-1 ratio. We have half a cup of water, which means we are going to do a 1/4 cup of MSG, which sounds like a lot, but you're only doing a couple drops each time that you do these cocktails. So it's really not as bad as it sounds. So here we go, adding it in. Yep, a 1/4 cup. There we have it. Dump it on in that water. You could stir it, but I'm a little fancier. I'm a little barista. I have my frother, so we'll just, froth it up. All right, and there we are, MSG Solution dissolved. Let's bottle it up. All right, so we have the MSG Solution. Now's the fun part. Let's make a drink with it. Now, in theory, you can just add this umami solution, this MSG, to any cocktail, but it's not always gonna pop, and it's not gonna be a delicious, a little punch that you want. In a pineapple margarita, though, you do want a little bit of savory. If you really wanna taste it on as close of a blank slate as you can, just make a dirty martini, but instead of using that olive brine, use the MSG solution, and it's just, delicious. But let's stop yapping. Let's make this margarita. First, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of silver tequila. Delicious, yum, yum, yum. Next up, 1 ounce of triple sec. Let's get juice from half of a lime. Roll it out, make it juicy and delicious. Because these are some firm limes that I bought. But I have a feeling they're gonna be nice and juicy. Oh yeah, that's what we want. And let's add in 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. We're skipping the agave, we're skipping the simple syrup. We don't need it. This is some sweet pineapple juice as it is. And now for the final ingredient here, the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's add in 3 drops of MSG Solution. 1, 2, 3. That's all you need. That's all you need to make it pop. Now let's shake it with some ice. Oh, son of a... Smells like it's gonna pop. Smells like it's gonna have a punch to it. Let's pour. Cheers to the MSG, or the much fancier sounding Umami Pineapple Margarita. Ooh. Yeah. That savoriness is so nice. It's so weird in a cocktail. I personally love sugar. If you don't know that by now, you haven't seen my videos or you haven't been paying attention. I love sugar, but that punch you get from the umami, I mean, it enhances the drink. It really does. I feel like you're gonna see me using that a lot more. We want it to punch. We want that, we want a kick to it. I think it's a way to really spice up your drinks, and I don't think it's just a trend. It really started happening back in the last couple years, but I think MSG cocktails are here to stay. Cheers. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you make some MSG cocktails at home. If you want any advice, you need some help, just drop a question in the comments. I'll answer it. I'll help you. Thanks as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.